Hi, thank you for joining me today. I'm KT. I'm going to be leading you through a little bit of a hip opening pose. It goes step by step. So what I really love about fire log pose, or double pigeon as some folks like to call it, is personally for me, I experience sciatica on my right side. It's something that I kind of have to, really find myself doing a lot of hip openers in class or, in my own practice that is. And I really do appreciate this posture because it helps alleviate some of that sciatica, SI discomfort that many men and women alike experience. So as we're going through this today, I'm going to kind of show how to set it up and giving you some options as well. So we're going to need at least one block, and once again, props are very optional, no have-tos in this practice today. So we're going to start off together. I'm going to be mirroring you, so we're going to start on our right side. It's going to be my left, but your right. So just keeping that in mind as we practice. We're going to start in this comfortable seat, so maybe sitting somewhere comfortable. This can be down on the carpet, it can be on your mat. But once again, real quick little tutorial on this. So as we take fire log pose, we're going to start out and we're going to have that left leg on the bottom. So we're going to bring that left leg so that it's slightly 90 degrees, just so that we have that shin to kind of parallel. And facing out towards the top edge of your mat, it would be as parallel as possible towards that top edge. So as we're bringing that shin down, we're relaxing the knee. So this is going to be that left leg on the bottom. I'm going to flex my left foot now. Now as I take my right leg on top, you might, as you begin to stack, notice that I'm bringing that ankle, not the foot, not crossing, anything in particular. We're bringing that ankle. Now, if you might be a runner, a cyclist, or just, if you really experience tight hips, if maybe you find yourself at a desk, this could be asking a lot. So starting out, you might want that shin in front. So you might take that right shin in front of the left shin just to kind of work with that option A. Noting now, I'm still going to flex my feet. So wherever we're at in this double pigeon fire log pose today, we're going to be flexing our feet, so activating our hamstring. As we take this ankle on top, so option B here, we may note, if we find this is accessible, that we need a little bit of support from this upper knee to relax upon. So this is where that block's going to come into play. So maybe that medium height, if it's way up top, if maybe that lower height. But notice as we come into a forward fold, this knee will relax down a little bit. So you may find that you may slide the block to the side. So once again, stacking it up, shin can be in front. But as we're flexing our feet, we're going to ground down through our sitting bones. We're going to start with those arms reaching high now. So we're lengthening through our side body, still keeping those shoulders relaxed. Now as we begin to forward fold, you may find yourself right about here, and you're like, oh, this is as far as I can go. I would encourage you to take your hands wide then so you can still lead your heart forward. So we want to bring our sternum forward as much as we can. If you feel you can slide this block to the side, notice as you come into the forward fold, this knee might relax down a little bit more. If you can, then begin to walk your hands forward, keeping the connection of the sitting bones. So we just don't want to find ourselves really lifting up out of the seat. Keep it grounded there. Feet are still activated to flex. Take another additional breath here, and to any degree, come into a forward fold, even deeper. So as you hang your head now, stretching out the back of the neck, take a little motion side to side. Take a breath in deep. Breathe out. We're just going to do 2 more breaths together. Take that inhale. Take that exhale. 1 more inhale. And breathe it out. We're going to rise with our next breath in. And then just switch sides straight away. So as we take that second leg, placing it on the bottom. So that right leg is going to now be on the bottom. Find that shin to parallel. Stack it up. So note, if you need to cross the shins, still keep those feet activated. Left leg is now going to be in front. Moving it along, bring that ankle on top, directly on top of that knee. So we're stacking it up, just like we would like Lincoln logs or building blocks. We're just kind of stacking everything, knees and ankles. Noting if you need that block, or you catch it if you need it under that knee. Otherwise, just keep it to the side. Find that length as you reach up. Ground bones to seat down. With the next exhale, hands can walk wide, chest can move forward, or if you can bring those hands in front, all good. We just don't want to find our hands to move forward and then round out through our back to try and get ourselves forward as far as we can. We want to keep the chest nice and open. So if that means bringing the hands alongside to draw yourself more forward with your heart space, I would say go that approach. Hanging your head wherever you're at, arms extended, sitting bones rooted. Take 2 more breaths together. Breathing that first breath here. Breath out. 1 more breath here. Taking that next breath in as you begin to rise, sit up nice and tall. We're going to uncross the legs and just sit nice and comfortable here. So as you're practicing fire log pose, let me know what it feels to you. Let me know what works for you. This is a great option also too. As you wake up in the morning time, you may find yourself first thing sitting up in bed and having a little bit of that sensation, kind of like lightning going down to that knee. Check into this pose. Sit up right and easy, nice in bed, maybe cross shins again. And just kind of work it into that hip, just a little motion side to side, and kind of work with that, or in the evening time, really optional, really up to you. I would say try to stay there, at least for 5 breaths. If you can hang there more, absolutely. This is KT. Thank you for joining me in your practice today, and I hope this pigeon, double pigeon and fire log pose brings you ease in those hips and a little extra opening in your day. Namaste.